Like new substantial stucco residence, 1.9 private acres with healthy year-round stream running by your beautiful home, providing calming natural sound and scape in a special natural environment with extensive multi-level rock retaining walls throughout your mini estate. The totally rebuilt home to a high standard has 2 levels with views from extra large windows and multiple decks and patios of the Creek Canyon and beyond of the local forested hillsides. There is 2 bedrooms, including the master, on the main level with great room living including skylights, wood stove and quartz countertop kitchen with stainless steel appliances. Downstairs, with heated floors, is a large family room, 3rd bedroom and an additional room, with 2 mini splits for indoor growing, storage or developable into another use. The master has its own private view deck, and there are multiple patios so that you can take full advantage of the seclusion of the property.